Now we're going to make our centerline template. Take your engineering drawing and register some of these X locations as I have on this drawing. Find the ground line. Cut it along the ground line. You're going to discard this piece here. You're then going to take that and you're going to attach it to the foam core. Remember, the foam core is 20 inches. This drawing is 18 inches, so you should have an inch on both sides. It will look like this. Make sure that your bottom ground line lines up with the bottom edge of the foam core. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut out our center line. Just past this radius here. Cut up around the bumper, right on the black line, through the deck lid, up over the canopy, through the bonnet, and around the front. What I've done here is I've just drew my own line, because later on we'll go back and we'll cut those in the clay. But to develop it, we're just going to make it one surface through here. Come down around the chin and cut down. That will leave you with a template that looks like this. Okay? Now what I've done on the back is I've added a popsicle stick on both ends and the ruler up here to give the template some strength. Do not throw this away. We will be using this a couple steps down the road. So just set this aside for now. This template then goes onto our base plate, and remember it's 20 inches. Our base plate is 20 inches, sits right on the top of it. Take your body side section, mount it to the foam core. Find our ground line, measure the thickness of your base plate, and from your ground line, which is this dark line here, just below the radius, draw a line straight down to the ground line, right on the ground line, bring it over, and then right down on the outside of this black line. You should be left with a template that looks like this. Our bottom edge will ride on our table. This bottom edge will ride just above our surface plate, and this will be what cuts the clay. On the back of it, I've placed the other popsicle stick to brace it. I've also notched this bottom edge here to ride against the wood of the base plate. This template will line up right on the 10 grid line. We will be dragging it backwards and forwards like this when we apply the hot clay to the foam. It will create about a 2-inch pad right through here, which will give us our body side profile.